Hello friends, welcome to my channel and today we will talk about Taurus. So, person whose horoscope is Taurus or the moon sign is Taurus, then let's talk about those people behavior, their career, their bank balance, their love relation and married life. We'll talk about their future also and which number is good for them. We will talk in detail. So friends, Taurus means like this is resembled with the earth. So in our Vedic astrology there are so many particles where all our moon signs resembles or based on. So basically when we talk about Taurus, it actually resembles with earth features. So in Vedic astrology, earth means like those people will little calm and they will be responsible enough. They will always fulfill their own desires and need by their own. So it shows the stability. They are more stable people. If we talk about their lucky colors, then it will be blue, pink, green, and lucky day will be Friday and Monday also. And their lucky numbers are 2, 4 and 6. So these numbers they can prefer to do the good work. If I talk about their physical appearance, then they are actually medium heighted person and muscular body, not very thin, not very fatty. It's average weight body you will see in Taurus people. They have the broad forehead. They are actually very beautiful. So this Taurus is basically it's Venus planet. So we whosoever belongs to Taurus means they are actually resembling the behavior of Venus. In our Vedic astrology, Venus is the teacher for all those Venus is actually a teacher. So in Vedic astrology we have actually two teachers, one for gods and one for demons. So that's why, because Venus is the teacher for demons, so they are actually a teacher. Whether it is demons teacher or God's teacher, it shows that you are giving preachings to your pupils and you are acting as a teacher for them. You are showing their life, path, and you are just encouraging them, giving the good teachings. So it is all related to teacher. So when we talk about Venus planet, it is actually very beautiful. If you see this in the galaxy also, it's very beautiful planet. So that's why people belongs to Taurus are actually beautiful and very attractive. They have a very beautiful face and beautiful eyes, big eyes they have, and white shining teeth. So all which looks good and a part of beauty, you will see those in Taurus people. Mostly they have curly hair. Taurus people, they basically look for some kind of love. They are more into love. They always give love and they always try to get love. So if you will love Taurus people, they will give you the same. And that's why they get easily into the love life, love relationship or romantic relationship, because they actually like it and they get indulged easily. They run after the luxurious life. They always try to spend a luxurious life and a very comfortable life, which can give actually a limelight. So they always try to prefer that life. They always try to wear good brand clothes or best brand cars, perfumes. They are actually very keen to use branded clothes, branded perfumes. So they always prefer. They are foodie actually, and whenever they get time, they actually all day they do munching. They try to eat healthy because obviously they maintain their beauty, and beauty is the top most priority for them. So they always eat healthy food even though they munch a lot. Taurus people get betrayal easily. So here you have to be very careful. At least once in a life you will be betrayed badly. So Please be very cautious when you are making friends, where when you are going into a relationships. You should be very cautious. Please learn to identify the good soul, because you are a good soul, and if you will select a bad person, definitely you will be hurted. When we talk more about Taurus people, then they are actually very straightforward. They don't know how to sugarcoat the things and speak. They don't do those buttering and sugarcoating. Whatever they think, they speak bluntly. And since I told you, like Taurus people always try to live the luxurious life, they earn more money. That is the very big thing. Taurus always, you will see Taurus people always be on top. They are actually very rich, and they earn by their own. So to maintain that life, they earn more money, but they can't save it. If you will see their bank balance or their savings, actually they don't have. They prefer to spend more on their relatives, or for their loved ones, rather than on themselves, no, or himself. They prefer to spend more on the loved ones, even though they maintain their good comfortable life, but still they spend much for their loved ones, not for themselves. They are very specific for their principles, and they always follow the principles. They don't try to divert themselves from their decided principles, and they are actually a good soul, and they always try to be self-dependent. You will always see those people, they are independent. And since these people are very straightforward, so generally people don't like them, or they don't want to be in their company. You will see like those people have very less friends just because of that, because speaking bluntly will sometimes hurt people, so they have very limited friends. When we talk about their task or how they work, then they, whatever they choose to work, they do it perfectly, and they complete it actually in a very perfection. They give the perfection in their work, so you will see this perfection. They have little less memory. They forget things very easily, but it does not get reflect in their daily behavior or in their life, but they are actually short memory people. They don't let that reflected in their behavior all the time, that they are short memory people. That is a very good thing. And they love to work in a jovial environment. They can't work in a boring or stress environment. They create the environment jovial, and they work in a very good way. That's why they are able to complete their task in a perfect manner, or perfectly they fulfill their tasks or complete their work. If we talk about then they can be good in electronics work, and especially in beauty. They will get a very bright career, like acting or any entertainment industry they can select, because they are very beautiful and they know how to present themselves. So it will be a very good platform for them to make their career. By the way, whatever task they choose, they complete it properly and very effectively they do it. So anything will be good for them, especially teaching or perfume business, cosmetics business. So these things will help or will give them a bright career. Even jewelry business, these things they can do. And as you already know, I have already told, like they try to wear a branded clothes, purchase perfumes, best perfumes. They are also keen to wear jewelry. They spend too much on jewelry, because anyways jewelry is costly, and when you try to purchase a best jewelry, then you spend too much. So that's how you are not able to maintain your savings, because you spend a lot on those things which you can show to others. You are also attracted towards opposite sex easily. That's why you get into the relationship very easily, and sometimes you get a betrayal also, because you are a very soft soul, so people always try to take advantage of your soft nature. So you have to be very careful when you are selecting your partner. That's true, you are a very highly patience people, and that's why you don't break the relationship easily. But in love relationship, you get betrayal easily. When we talk about your marriage life, you get a good, I mean, okay partner, not very, I mean, okay, average partner, and you maintain your love life. Your love life don't get broken easily, because you adjust in your marriage life, and even you can adjust in any environment. So marriage is something very big relationship for you, so you always try to save the relationship, and you maintain it very maturely. So you are a people, you can convert any environment as per your requirement. If you are given a hut to live, you will convert the same hut into a palace. You have that stamina, and you are very responsible. Sometimes you get stubborn and you lose many things just because of your stubborn behavior, but it does not happen every time. It's sometimes you do it when you get irritated, or you, or your mood is quite off and nobody is understanding you. Then in that situation, you sometimes lose your patience and get angry, and you lost it actually. So try to do meditation, and meditation at least 5 to 10 minutes. If you will do meditation, it will help to control your anger, because anyways you are a highly patient people. So just because of small things you can't lose, right? So I'll suggest to join meditation or do meditation at home only. You don't like diversion in your life, so you don't prefer to travel much. And even in career, when you see your career established, you don't try to change it. You are not indulged into many things, you just try to earn money. If the source is one, you will try to earn it from the one source only, not from the multiple sources, because you don't like those kinds of travel and lot of work actually just to fulfill your need. So whatever you do it perfectly. So one source gives you money, very good money actually. You don't have very broad dreams that you want to fulfill. It is just you want to maintain the luxurious life, and through your own caliber only you maintain that life. You are a very loyal and honest friend or partner. Anyone can trust you. You are a very trustworthy person. Okay, so when we talk more about Taurus people, then they think to get and know everything which is good in the world. Either they try to get it or they want to know about it, but they should be knowing what is good in this world. They will try to know everything. You are focused towards outer beauty more rather than inner beauty, so my advice is to look inside your inside you and enhance your internal beauty also. As I already told you, you are a very romantic person, so it reflects in your personality. If I talk about your medical condition, then you are not affected with major medical condition, but yes, get easily affected with small diseases like cold and cough, viral. So these things affect you very easily. Also, you are very focused towards your future, and your focus is to earn more and more and more money. So to earn more money, you do your task very perfectly, so that nobody can raise question on you or raise finger on you. So you do it very perfectly, because your target is to earn more money. You get betrayed easily, but you don't betray anyone. You are a very good friend, very good life partner. Wherever you go, you maintain the trustworthy relations. And because you are a very trustworthy friend and very soft-hearted people, so you get betrayed easily, and people always try to take the advantage of your sweet behavior. So that's the reason you try to avoid making more friends, which is good actually. When you are soft and you can't betray anyone, or you are not smart enough, I would say, or clever to save yourself from the betrayal, I would suggest to at least make limited friends and judge them very minutely. So let's move on and talk more about Taurus. So as you already know, they are trustworthy person and they have the fantasy to earn more and more money so that they can live the luxurious life. They are very loyal in love and romance relationship also. They always give high attention to their life partner. For them, family is on top priority. They are very intelligent and grab any environment very easily, and they make the environment neat and clean where anyone can come and survive and they can actually live their life. So that's it, friends. I will only suggest to just focus towards identifying the people also, because you get cheated easily from the loved ones only. So please be focused towards it and be very careful. So that's it, friend, for Taurus people. We will talk about in next video more on other parameters. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel also and share it to others. And if you want to get the full analysis done for your horoscope, then please go to this link which is shown on the screen and full all the details. I'll share the full analysis of your life to you. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye bye.